We've all been there. New passion, new gear, late-night tutorials. Then the spark dies. Society calls you a quitter who lacks grit. But for scanners, the issue isn't laziness, it's the deep dive trap. You're afraid committing to one thing means missing the 100 other worlds you want to explore. Let's dismantle that guilt. You aren't failing, you're graduating. The law of diminishing returns. Learning follows a curve. In the beginning, you learn at light speed. This is the Pareto principle. You gain 80% of practical competency with just 20% of the effort. Think about guitar. You can play 80% of pop songs in months by mastering 5 chords. Becoming a world-class jazz soloist takes decades to refine the remaining 20%. For specialists, that 20% is everything. For an M-shaped polymath, it's a trap. It's where discovery turns into a grind. If you stay too long, you're just polishing one pillar while others never get built. Dabbling versus strategic graduation. How do you tell quitting from graduating? Look for the resistance. Dabbling is stopping because it got hard. You hit a wall and ran for a new high. That's a retreat. Strategic graduation is stopping because you reached fluency. Fluency means you solve common problems without a manual. You understand the grammar of the field. Extra effort no longer yields aha moments. At 80%, curiosity feels satisfied, not exhausted. You've downloaded the mental model. Keeping a pillar at 80% is often more valuable than pushing to 100%. How to graduate. Use a graduation protocol. First, define your 80% early. If learning Python, maybe 80% is automating my emails, not becoming a senior developer. Hit that goal and you've won. Second, capture the pillar. Spend 1 week documenting lessons in your external brain, Notion or Obsidian. This makes knowledge a permanent asset. Finally, give yourself permission. You aren't leaving, you're adding a tool. You are a bridge builder. You don't need to master one thing, you need to master connecting. Look at your current obsession. Hit the 80%, stop grinding, start graduating. Outro. Ready to build your next pillar? Check the Polymath field guide below. Next step? Would you like me to draft a graduation checklist for a specific skill you're working on right now?